Hi, I'm Peggy Laborde with another Carnival Close-Up as I share some history and memorabilia from my own Mardi Gras collection. Carnival offers many opportunities to be creative, and that creativity can be seen in some of the more historic throws throughout the years. Since 1910, the crew of Zulu has been handing out its signature coconut. Each rider typically gives away about 200. They are often made by local artisans who start with a plain coconut and add their own artistic touches. Here is one from 2005 in honor of Isaac Wheeler, that year's King Zulu. And we have another one from 2015 paying homage to Monarch Pete Sanchez. I certainly remember glass beads from Czechoslovakia. They were very popular, especially in the 1950s and 60s. Over the years, some locals have quipped that they first learned how to spell Czechoslovakia from the paper tag attached to the beads. Also popular for a while were glass beads made in a tubular style from Japan. This throw goes pretty far back. It's a finger pole. A finger pole made of straw, which would come in different colors. Parade goers have become used to seeing the crew of Muses' signature shoe theme reflected in many throws in the parade. We have Muses member Nicola Wolf to thank because in the first parade in 2001, she decorated a few shoes and handed them out. By 2005, over 600 members did the same thing. And of course, the custom has skyrocketed. Here is a tribute to the New Orleans Saints. And I have a flower power shoe and one that boasts a bit of fringe and lots of sparkle. As we all try to be more green, more recent throws include coffee and red beans given out by Bacchus's Bacchitality float. Many of the riders on that float work in the local hospitality industry. Here are just a few examples of creativity in the New Orleans Carnival. And generosity, something we need to remember as each parade passes by.